Everyone out there is going crazy for ChatGPT 4o model in order to create the images, but there's a catch. And before you go for the image creation, make sure to upgrade your ChatGPT, otherwise there's no point of creating the images, you won't get the desired results. Now, let me show you on the free version over here that whenever you create an image, you would be able to see here the option of switch model. When we click on it, you can see that GPT-4o is available. But even though it is available, it doesn't work on the free version at all. So you need to upgrade your ChatGPT in order to get the best out of it. And I hope this short guide was helpful. Before you go, let me give you the command for the most famous image that is being circulated quite widely. So this is the command. Just upload your image, then type this up. Please turn this into a Studio Ghibli style image, and this way you would be able to get the desired results. Since we are on the free version, that's why we are not getting it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if you want to see more such helpful videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also hit that like button. See you in the next one.